Hello and welcome to the Non-Fungible Fungi Research Collective. Here at the Collective, we study and collect the rarest enchanted mushrooms found on the planet. So far, we can share that we have discovered 3 entirely new subspecies of rare mushrooms. Let's take a look. This rather charming species is what we call Bog Standard. It's not our rarest mushroom, but they are far from abundant. They can be found all around the globe, and on occasion you can find rare pattern variants. Oh look, this one's a melon. Isn't that sweet? In our many endeavors mushroom seeking, we found another, slightly more unusual fungus. Have a look at this. Oh! But as you can see here, we have a graceful creature. We like to call this subspecies Mire-able. These mushrooms tend to be a lot more scarce than your average bog standard mushroom. But luckily for us, they are fairly slow-witted and easy to catch. They come in all kinds of variations, with some very unusual looking. This is one of our most significant finds, a super rare translucent Mire-able mushroom, or as we call him, pudding. He might look a little different, but I assure you he's very sweet. Under all that jelly is a big heart. But we're not done just yet. We found one other species. Something found in only the most secluded and ancient marshlands. This is one of our most prized possessions, the magic mushroom. We believe this one to be one of the original enchanted mushrooms tracing back thousands of years. While almost completely harmless, these magic mushrooms are as wise as they are old. And they are very, very old. Being magic mushrooms, they spend most of their day invisible, which made them a nightmare to find. But this one has kindly halted their spell for us momentarily. Oh, and there he goes. It'll most likely be weeks before he shows up again. The first ever 100 non-fungible fungi are strolling onto the Ethereum blockchain on October the 1st, and these magical little mushrooms simply cannot wait to meet you. Learn more today by visiting the Fungi app.